Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified on my every upload. Today I have made a video on study plan for CA Foundation students who are going to give their exams in November 2021. Basically, this is a 4-month plan on how you need to start your studies, how many times you need to revise, and what should be your approach for each and every subject. Hope this video will be helpful to each one of you. So let's get started. Study plan for CA Foundation. Approximately 4 months are left for you guys, and revision at least 2 to 3 times you can easily do because you have got ample time to prepare yourself. So for now, study regularly all the subjects. Concentrate on your concepts and understanding. That is very, very important. Since you all are new in this course, if you need proper guidance and support, you can take your coaching classes also. In fact, I'll drop a link in my description box which is of Unacademy. If you want to enroll in Unacademy platform, you can enroll yourself with a discount of 10% if you use my code CAGEN. You have got 4 subjects, okay? 2 subject is subjective and the another 2 subject is objective, which is MCQ based. In subjective part, you have got accounts which is of 100 marks and law and BCR. Law is for 60 marks, BCR is basically English subject which comes for 40 marks. You get 3 hours to solve this paper. In your objective section, you have got maths and statistics which is of 100 marks, and the other one is economics and BCK which is for 60 and 40 marks respectively. You get 2 hours to solve this paper. So basically, if you think like this ki class 12 mein you have got common subjects of accounts, maths, economics, okay, and English. For law, it is fresh but it is a theoretical subject. Thorough reading and proper understanding of the concepts will take you through this subject. To pass your CA Foundation level, you need 50% aggregate marks and 40% in all the individual subjects, okay? And in objective type, you get negative marking of 0.25 if you do any mistake in any question, objective type. But in subjective, there is no negative marking, okay? So I would recommend you, if you are not disciplined and sincere, please go for coaching classes. If you are okay, if you can study regularly with your own support, you don't need any classes. But if you do not have maths in class 12, please go for class because you will need proper support and guidance in maths paper. So what are the steps you need to follow? So the first step is gather all the resources, okay? I say material, RTP, MTP, scanner. Scanner is past year papers. If you want to buy scanner, there is a link given below in the description box. You can go and buy from that link. And you can also enroll for different test series which is provided by many different pages in Instagram or YouTube. You can go and enroll for test series also to assess yourself. When you start now, today, please take a diary to plan, okay? To plan till your August end. For 2 months, you need to plan very, very nicely. Make short-term plan, maybe weekly plans banao. And regular studies karo for all the subjects. Monday to Saturday, you'll study. Sunday also you'll study and review your plan and refresh it if you need any editing in the plan. When you study for the first time, please try to complete everything. Nothing should be new, okay, when you start your revision. So I say material, RTP, MTP, past paper, everything should be done with your first time study only, okay? So when you start your studies, I would highly recommend you to make a separate copy for each subject, okay? It will help you to form your answers nicely on your exam day. In that copy, write keywords, formats, formulas, sample answers, that is the pattern in which you will write your answers in your exam. Technical words, you can make charts, record audios if you want to learn anything. So basically you need all the tricks to remember because on the final day you'll get just 1.5 days to revise. So please prepare from the first day only for your final day. Now when you study, okay, please review and revise every night whatever you study. That is very, very important because your plan needs to be revised every now and then if you are lagging behind or if you are very fast in your completion of your plan. Now when you study, mark with red pen or keep on categorizing, okay? Your notebook should be very, very clear so that on your final day, if you go through the notebook, many important things come to your mind. and you remember many things which are needed in your exam. So these are the common tips, okay, which you need to follow when you start your studies. Now today, just take a diary to make your weekly plan. 8 weeks you have till your August. Okay, 1 week you are lagging behind because today is 7th July. So you can consider 7 weeks. Okay, in 7 weeks try to complete your course nicely. Daily all the subjects, all your classes, finish all your homework, everything. Nothing should be new when you start your revision. So if you are taking classes, do your homework regularly. Revise every night. Okay, if you are weak in any subject, please give more efforts on that subject. Jैसे many people have, they are weak in maths. So please put more efforts in maths. If you are weak in English, to BCR में, put more efforts, write more answers, make formats for article, note making and everything. That is very, very important. So when you make your weekly plan, then start making with your daily plan. For daily plan, I have made a separate video which you can refer, but please divide your time, your daily routine time. Customize it according to your class timings, according to your coachings and everything, and be clear about, when you're going to wake up, till when you are going to study, what chapter you are going to complete at that hour. This has to be done weekly. Okay, and on Sunday, please review your plan every time you complete a week. Basically, when you plan your week, okay, when you start your planning your week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, make kind of this chart: and accounts, law, maths, economics. Write whatever topic you are going to study. Every day you need to study all the subjects because बहुत monotonous हो जाएगा. Now you are studying, you are understanding the concepts. So daily you can study all the 4 subjects and start your studies. Which chapter you gonna study, that should be very, very clear. If you are taking coaching, plan accordingly, complete your course with that, complete your homework regularly. That is very, very important. When you sit to study, please know your targets till where you are going to complete and study all the subjects daily. So from now, I'll say 7 weeks are there. By 31st August, complete your entire classes. Do one-time study with the classes. Coachings will be over. Homework will be done. Notes are all ready. You are ready to go for your revision. Okay, so one time self study must be done before till August. So after August there should be nothing which is new to you because you are going to start your revision. Max to max you can delay it by 15 days, not later than that. After that, plan phase wise: 30 days revision, 20 days revision, 10 days revision, because you will get 2 months to revise. And if you are delayed by 15 days, you can plan your days accordingly. This is just a customized plan which you can change according to your capacity and capability. When you start your revision, try to choose one theory and one practical. Suppose if you do 15 days plan, so in 15 days accounts in law BCR, and next 15 days maths economics BCK. Complete everything. Try to complete before time so that you get motivated by yourself. Execute your plan, make realistic plan, 100% efforts, and you need to have belief and faith in yourself that you'll be able to complete. But for now, you need to follow weekly plan strictly. Okay, this is just to give you an idea about how you need to go about till November. Now we will discuss subject wise. For accounts, देखो, ICI material is sufficient. Study chapter wise. Theory is also very important. So for practical subject, you can refer to my video on how to study practical subject. There you will get a detailed idea on what should be your approach. Please take care of formats because it actually fetch you extra marks. Make your concepts very, very clear. That is very important, okay? And your presentation skills matters a lot. You can also refer to my video on suggested paper analysis of accounts. In that, I have discussed each and every question of an attempt of a past paper and what should be your approach when you write your answers. There you will get a detailed idea of accounts paper. When it comes to maths, LR, statistics, you need to practice a lot. Okay, take care of all the formulas and calculator. Use the same calculator on your exam. Use all the shortcuts whichever is possible. Learn everything. So basically, institute material, RTP, MTP, past papers sufficient hai. Please try to make your concepts strong. So next subject is law. For law, many students have problem in drafting your answers. For that, please make sample answers on how you are going to write your answer. I have made a separate video on how to write your law paper. You can refer to that. Take care of the provisions, which is very important. Keywords, technical words, those are important. Try to write your answers in bullets or point wise. Paragraph, if you are going to write, make 2 to 3 paragraphs to have a clarity. Underline points which have technical words, professional words, which makes your answer look like a CA type. Sections are not important in CA foundation, so don't put lots of efforts on that. If you are asked 2 questions, so please write the entire provision nicely and then end your answer writing the gist of both the questions. The conclusion part should be very separately written. And when you start your law preparation, if you are studying with your class, with a coaching, do it together. If you are going to study by yourself, divide your pages by total number of days in which you are going to complete your course and study those pages regularly. Okay, when it comes to BCR, which is English, formats are very important. Each format fetch you extra marks, so please try to be correct in writing your formats. Daily learn 5 to 10 idioms, words, new words daily. Not one day you sit and study 100 words, you won't remember. Daily 5 to 10 words is sufficient. Try to improve your grammar by reading books, by writing answers. That will help you to improve your writing and grammar. So last subject is Eco and BCK. Write formulas of economics in your note diary. Thorough reading is important and your concepts and clarity is very important. It is objective type, you don't need to worry much. And you can also refer to my video on how to study for theory papers. BCK is more of learning type, so please read daily one company details. In that way you can complete in 7 weeks all the topics. These are some of the common tips which are needed. Okay, again I'm going to read out one by one. Take a diary, which is very important. Separate copy for each subject. Make notes, sample answers, tricks, formulas, which I've already said, but this is like a gist. Okay, plan smart study, which is very important. More efforts to weak subjects, as I said. Keep on filtering, categorizing, because last day you need to revise and you cannot read everything. Okay, so please keep on filtering and categorizing. Execute your plan and have faith in yourself, because that is the most important. If you by any chance feel weak, demotivated, listen to good music, listen to motivational music, watch the secret documentary. And if you want to buy that book, that link is also given below in the description box. You can go and buy that book. You can watch the documentary in YouTube. Basically try to motivate yourself so that you can crack it in one go. CA foundation and then CA intermediate is on your way. So that's all, students. I hope this video was helpful to each one of you. Please make a plan today itself so that you can start your studies from tomorrow. Arrange everything nicely, and if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends so that they can take the benefit out of it. Thank you so much. Happy watching.